Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we have another install for the Civic. As you can see, candles right here, and today candles getting a little bit grip activated. If you guys get my reference, as you guys probably saw my post, the build is sponsored now by Whiteline. As you can see down here, nice little decal right there. I put the decals on because why not? I like decals. I don't know if you guys ever noticed this, but theirs was an anti-space right here before, and Whiteline finished the job. Thank you, Whiteline. Oh, this is my favorite decal right here. Favorite decal. Boom, Whiteline. Peak the Volpix. If you guys know Volpix. All right, so let's just get to it. I think it's gonna be a pretty straightforward install. While I'm editing it, I'll probably find out if it's gonna be a two-part video or just a one-part video. So let's get to it. So today we're installing some nice Whiteline products, the rear sway bar and endlinks. And I'm pretty sure all you're gonna need is a 13 mil, a little extension. Okay, so here's what comes in the kit. Box the rear sway bar. Of course, it comes with fittings and some lubricant. So you're gonna have to replace the old ones with the new ones, and these adjustable endlinks. Just gonna go ahead and remove the old one in there. Again, and this is adjustable. Good on you. So as I can see, so these two are here, 1, 2, and 3. But since I got the endlinks, I don't really need to take this one off. So I'm just gonna take this one off, and the bracket that holds the rear sway bar, so it just comes out all at once. So let's go ahead and remove the first bolt. Voila, it's a pretty long bolt, but cut it out. So it's the first one right here, and the last two are right back there on the bracket. So let's go ahead and remove those. As you can see, the knuckles are loose with the bar in the back. 3 bolts, another 3 over here. But this one, it was the same as the other. It won't come off easily. So what you need to do, get yourself a nice little prey bar. Go under here, like so, and just right up. Boom. So it's loose, and it should just drop. You see, it's loose already. It's already loose. So I'm just gonna take it out and show you guys a comparison. Alright guys, so I got the old sway bar out, as you can see, all in one piece. Obviously these come off, you can just pry them off there. So now it's time to prep that bad boy over there and install it back in the car. Right now it's looking pretty good. It's a little gloomy weather, but hopefully it doesn't rain so we can do the front sway bar with endlinks as well. So let's get to it. Okay, so I have the new sway bar and the old sway bar lined up, so we're gonna go ahead and put the bushings on there, and of course we need some grease. High performance grease provided by Whiteline, comes with a kit. So we're just gonna put it in there, lubricate the inside, and then line it up on both sides, and then mount it back into the car, and then we'll get to the adjustable endlinks and the adjustable sway bar once we install it back to the car. So I got this new Whiteline sway bar mounted and everything on the bracket. So I had it up so I can get to these bolts. I couldn't record the process because I thought I was recording and then hit the record button, but it's nice on there, nice and tight. We're gonna go ahead and start with the endlinks, setting them up and all that. So let's get to that. Alright guys, so for these adjustable endlinks, they do come all the way in, but obviously I'm not an expert on how I want them adjusted. So they require a minimum of 10 millimeter of ball and link thread. So just use the stud right here. It's actually 10 millimeters. Just put it in there. As you can see, got the 10 millimeters on both sides, and then use a locking nut to lock it in place. And after you're done, you can go ahead and install it inside the car. So that's what we're gonna do next. Alright guys, so I got the endlinks on there. It was pretty difficult. I had to take out the sway bar again because there's a Allen key that can go in here, and you have to hold that while you twist it, or else the whole thing moves. So obviously I couldn't record that as I am doing this myself because sadly the wife works today. It's pretty difficult with all this on, just you know how to maneuver everything. And so I got that done on both sides. Sorry guys, I couldn't record that. Yeah, I just take it off and then just put them on while it's out, and then just slip everything back in. Now it's left is tighten everything up. All right guys, so everything is bolted down. One thing I did fail to mention was there's two holes right here, as you can see. I chose the more stiffer option, obviously, because you know your boy's gonna go carve some canyons later. All that, and as you can see, boom, what's it say, Whiteline. Your boy got grip activated today for the rear. Hopefully, if it doesn't rain soon, we can get the front ones done. But the back ones are done. They were kind of a pain because I don't know how to do this. This is my first sway bar install, but yeah, I got it done. So as you can see, the Civic is on the floor. Everything's all nice and bolted on, nice and tight. I was gonna work on the front one, but again, the weather is kind of spotty. As you can see, there's some raindrops. I don't want to be under the car doing the front one and it starts raining. That's gonna be terrible. I'm gonna wait until I get the whole kit on, and I'll do a whole review about it and impressions of how I'm driving it. Definitely don't want to miss out until I do the front one, have the whole car complete for the sway bars, and there's more parts coming for the Civic, so don't want to miss out. If you guys are interested in any of the Whiteline products, I will link the product list on the description below. Make sure to check them out, and thank you guys for watching again. See you guys in the next video. Peace.